I'm starting with my mini potted peach pies. And I'm using 2 kinds of fat, butter for the flavor and shortening for the dreamiest, flakiest crust. It's so important to keep everything cold. Your butter's cold, your shortening's cold. You got warm hands? Chill them. You got room temperature water? Chill it. It's gonna make your pastry so flaky and tender. A little drop of apple cider vinegar will also help with getting a really tender crust. These need to chill, but there's gluten in here, and when gluten doesn't get its chill time, it gets all shrinky and cranky. So this dessert is my version of a peach melba. Cardamom is perfect with peaches. And you know what else is citrusy? Lemon. Now these have had a chance to chill out and relax, so I can make my crust. For the lids, the top of the jar is your guide. And for the bottoms, a small plate. This bottom crust just gets pushed very gently in here. But this is a rustic dessert, so don't be too particular about how it looks. And before I put those lids on, a little bit of butter for extra flavor. Is an amazing multitasker. I'm gonna use it as the glue that holds the 2 pieces of pastry together. Then I'm gonna paint it on top to give me a beautiful golden crust. This little X in the top is gonna let some steam escape and hopefully some of those juices to bubble up. I love when cute and delicious combine. And a little bit of sugar for a sweet, crunchy crust. Now these are ready for the oven. They're so adorable. Oh, that pastry is crumbly and tender.